So guys, today we're enjoying the F-18 fighter jet. And also, just so you guys know, I added a community tab onto my channel. So if you guys want to like vote on a different type of video or just tell me what kind you want, just feel free to let me know. So we're going to start on the front. So we're going to do the cockpit right here. So just kind of like relative like this shape. It's a curve, but then a little curve in. Straight line. Then it comes up in a curve, and you can just connect it to there. You can like you can trace the front, that part, and right where that curve is, draw two little curves. This is part of the cockpit. Now right here, we have a curved line going about that far. Actually, no, not that far. About that far. And then round it out to come back in. Actually, I'm gonna do something different. So, from about here on the bottom of the cockpit, come out to about there, and then curve both sides in. Like that. And you can just make it a bit more fine now that you have it. Like that. Then on the tip of it, you can make it round with a little like ventilation probably right here. Little details to it. There's a rectangle, circle, rectangle. And then you can add another line right there. Also, you can shade right here, and so like just kind of show that it's curved as it comes in like this. So about here, start making the wing go out like that. You know what? I'm gonna go grab a ruler because there's lots of straight lines. Okay, I got a ruler. So you can keep that, but from the point to that line, from here, from where the tip is, we can just follow it to about there. Like that. Now, here, where the cockpit is, like this. Like that. And from there, so make a straight line, then curve in, and then keep going straight to about there. And right here, we're going to make one of the tail fins. Like that. And then there's another one right about, actually, I'll draw that one in a minute. I'm going to keep drawing this. So the wing is going to go from there, from here, and it's about at this angle. Yeah. So at that angle, you go straight back and back in like that. And then there's like the missile holsters right here. So you can draw two lines like that, kind of similar, with lines going back in. along with the wing right here, finish it. And this, there's a rectangle here with some lines. Now, 2 circles with a line through each of them. And another square rectangle. Now, here is another tail fin. Or back, I don't know. I'm not like I don't know everything about airplanes. Like that. And now for this type tail fin, it's right here. So you draw like a straight line, and then have it curve up, and then up, and this one also comes up. And from here, you can curve it back down, like that. So like that, and then you can connect the bottom. Now, you can use the ruler again. Right here, we can, about, yep, there, about this angle, or actually, this is supposed to be more angled like that. Like that. Which then you can follow that line over to the other wing. Like that. Actually, not like that. That looks bad. It's supposed to be like that. No, that's also bad. It's supposed to be about there. Yeah. And then we connect it like that. Good. Now right here, we have one of the, like, I think it's a missile on the side. Yeah, a missile on the side. You can draw a little oval along with another one. Like that. Then a fin on the missile. There are 2 fins. That. Make 2 triangles. Like that. And extend this front one out a bit more. That's a bit bent in the front. Like that. Okay, and on the right here, you can draw a number. And you can make it thicker, so like that. And also there's the, like, I don't know if it's in communications or like gas thing right here. So this part for like the gas. Now there's also a shadow right here from this, so you can just shade that in. And small fin right here. Alright. And now we're gonna draw the missile on this wing. So there's gonna be fin right here. It's like this. So it's like a diagonal, straight follow that diagonal line, make a little bump that goes back out straight and diagonal again. And then you can use the ruler, or you can just follow this line to make the missile, like that. Like so. And you can connect these ones. Make a little triangle with a rectangle on the bottom. And add some like curve into it. To make it look more like a missile. And then there's also the two triangles on the top. On the wing, we can draw from that a little under the missile holster like that. No, not like that. Like that. And then the up like that. Also, a line right here. And then there's the flaps in the back. Like that. And also a little circle here with a star in the middle. And it's probably like the like Air Force symbol. Relatively like that. Okay, so that's that wing. And we'll also finish this wing over here. So in case you don't know where it is, it's right here. And this one has right there. And also this missile's a bit too big, so just gonna make it a bit smaller. More like that small. Oh, you probably can't see it, so it's relatively that smaller. Like that. Let's see if that works, kind of. So you can guys see it's this darker line. Now we're gonna draw on the front like that, and some shapes in the back. And the shadows from this tail fin. Also on this tail fin, there's little ovals. This is a big one, a long one, or a short one, tiny one, and one about the same size, just a bit lighter. That. But there's a little fin flat right there, and then there's this just shape on the tail fin. For this one, it's about the same thing. The number is just up here with the same amount as the other one, so it's one, later one, smaller one, really small one. Just little oval things. And then on this side, you can draw the same little shapes with another flap right there. Now we can zoom out, and right here, it's where like the engines are. Which are right here. And for this fin, there's just a little shape right there. That's it. All there is to that one. Then, for this top part, you can make a little angle up. Now it shows just this. Like that. So yeah, that's basically it. Oh, no, we still have some things. So those missile holsters right there. you can follow a line and just create this little oval hot dog looking shape. Little fins on it. The fins right there. Then two little pulls up, which go into the little tip things to look like this. You can add little balls and little circles like that. You can just shade in. No, because they're under the wing, so it's hard to see them. Not hard to see them, but they have shadows. Same. There's one. You can see one on this side. Like that. Okay. I'm just gonna erase this a bit more. So, yep. That is the Air Force fighter jet, the F-18. If there's anything you'd like me to draw, just make sure to like and subscribe. Or you don't have to, but if there's anything you want to draw, just comment what it is in the comments, and I'll see what I can do.